In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an infinite marquee scrolling effect in Wix. We're going to build a smooth, continuous scrolling banner using a simple layout and a small bit of Velo code. This approach is perfect for logos, announcements, or any text and image lineup you want to slide across the page on repeat. First, add a blank strip to your page. This strip will act like a window for the animation, so place it where you want the marquee to appear and size its height to fit your content comfortably. Keep it full width so the effect stretches nicely across the page and looks clean on different screen sizes. Next, add the text or images you want to scroll inside the strip. Arrange them on a single horizontal line. Keep the spacing consistent so the transition feels seamless when the content loops. If you're mixing text and images, align them to a common baseline so nothing appears to jump as it moves. Now select all those items and group them. Grouping turns multiple pieces into one unit, which keeps everything aligned and makes it easier to animate. With that group selected, duplicate it and place the second group immediately to the right of the first. The two groups should sit side by side with their edges touching, no gaps and no overlap. This paired layout is the key to an uninterrupted infinite scroll. Enable Dev Mode, also known as Velo. Turning this on opens the code panel and the properties panel, which we'll use to reference elements in the script. Don't worry, this is a small, readable snippet designed just to move the groups. Assign IDs to the two groups so the code can target them. Select the first group and set its ID to group 1. Then select the second and set its ID to group 2. Use these exact names so everything connects properly. Finally, add the code shown on the screen. This code runs when the page loads, measures the width of your grouped content, positions the two groups side by side, and continuously shifts them to the left. When one group fully exits the strip, the code instantly moves it to the right of the other group, creating the infinite loop. You'll also see variables in the code that control speed and easing, which you can tweak to match your design. That's all you need. You now have a clean, infinite marquee scrolling effect in Wix. If you update your content later, just keep both groups aligned and touching so the loop stays seamless. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new animated banner.